Hello, my amazing people. Welcome back again to our page. Commenters Analyzer. My amazing people, we don't carry another matter come again. This one a wonderful one. This one a big congratulations to one of our brother, one of our papa. Hey, my amazing people, this one are good news. Before we dive into the matter, my amazing people, if today now your first time when they come across this page and you never follow, please, what are you waiting for? Help me to touch that button that say follow. You don't follow be that, and you touch them again, you go use and receive audio notification. My amazing people, we don't carry another ogboge matter come again, and please help me to like and share this video if you dey come on this page, and please do me a favor by showing me that love. Share is very important. Share the video. God bless you all. Una dey see filling station wey person build, make una take a look at this picture, this video wey I just dey show for the background. So una see filling station, una see oh my God, I don't know as I want to talk am. See filling station. Oh, big congratulations to uwaila 1. Big congratulations to Mr. and Mrs. Wala. Hey, no easy, oh, Baba Wala. You really try. You really try for this great work. Hey, as we dey discuss when you reach for inside social media, I no know say you be man wey correct like this. Who dey check am? Who dey chest am? Now you dey chest am. We give you hand because you try well. See filling station, my people. Make una take a look at this filling station. At least you go use and help most of our youth for Nigeria, especially Benin. You go use and help our people, our youth when they Benin there. You go improve many youths for this filling station. Because of this filling station now, most of our youth will still get work. My people, may we wish this man big congratulations with his wife because they try. Now, man, when they try, now with the respect. I try salute for you because you too much. You too much. See filling station now. See everywhere gallant. Everywhere gallant finish. Hey? You try, you. God bless you. God bless you. I really appreciate. My amazing people, please not fail to drop big congratulations for this man, because this man, he try well, not be say na shoe bear